Hi everyone! Welcome back to English Trend, your go-to place for clear, fun, and practical English grammar lessons. Today we're diving into a pair of confusing verbs, grow and raise. Let's get started. Grow usually means to increase in size or develop naturally. It can be intransitive, which means it doesn't need a direct object. Examples: the tree grew quickly. My son is growing so fast. Raise means to lift something up or cause something to increase or develop. It is usually transitive, which means it requires a direct object. Examples: she raised her hand. They raised 3 children. Grow in action. Think of plants. They grow by themselves. You don't grow a plant, usually. The plant grows. Correct. Tomatoes grow well in summer. Incorrect. Tomatoes are raised in the garden. That can be okay in farming contexts, but more on that soon. Other examples: your hair is growing back. He wants to grow as a person. Quick tip: grow can also be used as a causative verb, but in modern English, it sounds a bit formal or businesslike. They want to grow their brand. That means they want their brand to become bigger or more successful. Raise in action. This verb needs an object, something you are raising. Examples: parents raise children. The government raised taxes. He raised his voice. You don't say, I grew 3 children. Say, I raised 3 children. Fun fact: animals can be raised, especially in a farming context. They raise cattle in Texas. Overlapping context, farming and business. Here's where it gets tricky. In farming or agriculture, both grow and raise can be used. We grow corn. We raise corn. But there's a slight nuance. Grow, in the crop itself developing. Raise. The human effort in developing the crop. Same with animals. We raise chickens. But you don't say, we grow chickens. Common collocations. Grow is used with plants, trees, flowers, vegetables, hair, nails. Business interest, confidence. Examples: grow your hair. Grow your business. Interest is growing. Raise is used with children, animals. Prices, taxes, salaries. Questions, hands, voices. Examples: raise your hand. Raise awareness. Raise money. Let's see what you've learned. Choose the correct verb, grow or raise. My parents. 4 kids. Tomatoes. In warm weather, we want to. Our income next year. She. A good point during the meeting. He wants to. A garden in his backyard. Answers: raised, grow. Raise, raised, grow. How did you do? Let me know in the comments. Bonus time. Let's quickly clarify raise versus rise, since people confuse these two. Raise, transitive, needs object. She raised her hand. Rise, intransitive, no object. The sun rises at 6. Also, arise ards, more formal, means to appear. Problems may arise. Summary: verb grow. Type intransitive. Needs object? No. Examples: plants grow. He grew fast. Verb raise. Type transitive. Needs object? Yes. Examples: raise your hand. Raise kids. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more grammar tips, and don't forget to ring the bell so you never miss a lesson.